Hey everybody, welcome to Unboxed, our unboxing series. Today we're going to be checking out DermaSuction, the cordless blackhead remover that sucks the yuck out of your pores. So no matter how often you wash your face, there's always some sort of gunk left behind. DermaSuction is actually going to help with that. It has 2 suction settings and 4 interchangeable suction heads. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Right off the bat, it looks like it's actually pretty easy to use. Very lightweight, fits comfortably in your hand. And then it comes with a few attachable heads, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th actually comes on the unit right there. To operate DermaSuction, you need to install 2 AA batteries, which luckily I happen to have on hand. So just unclip the back and install. One of the first things I noticed about DermaSuction is how simple it is to use. It has 2 power suction settings. All you have to do is flick up the switch once and you're in low, flick it up again and you're in high. And you'll feel a slight vibration, but it's actually very comfortable to hold. As I mentioned, DermaSuction includes 4 interchangeable suction heads, one of which is on the unit already. This is the oval head, which is perfect for getting the areas that a typical face mask can't get, like the corners of your nose, your mouth, or the sensitive skin around your eyes. Now this is the small head, which is perfect for everyday use. It has a gentle suction that's perfect for sensitive skin and the nose area. This is the large head. This is the one that's going to get all those tough blackheads out of your skin. It's important to note that you do not use this around the sensitive areas by your eye. And the sonic head helps exfoliate dead skin from your face while simultaneously pulling dirt and oil from your skin. Now it's important to use the ideal power settings based on your skin's needs, and not to use DermaSuction in one place for more than 2 seconds. Instead, use short, even strokes across your skin. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit subscribe and click on the link below to get your DermaSuction today.